Julian's tired of baseball. Here we are hanging out on the beach. That's our spot over there. The waves really big. Gorgeous day.
Uh-oh. Okay,
More sand in the face. That's our setup. I'll show you where Madeline is. You see her? She's inside the tent. There she is.
Thank you.
Uh-oh, it's almost feeding time. Let her sleep a little longer. Okay.
Uy, nabal. Oh, nabal.
Julian, say hi, Oma. Say hi, Oma. Julian, say hi, Oma.
Hi, Oma.
Hi, Oma.
Dis bonjour. Hi, Oma. Julia. Oh.
Say bonjour, Oma. This is silly. Okay, see you later.